they are in calamities?
Actually, in the local government, we have a guideline, especially in the utilization of the 5% calamity funds from the annual appropriation of the municipality. We have guidelines implemented and to be followed specifically in doing this. However, it is an initiative to every local government unit to assign a municipal risk reduction management program. And in terms of calamity, we already identified where to vacate, where to put the people, what we're going to do in the local government in order to safely address the concern during calamities. So, as I said earlier, there is already a mandate from the local government to the Department of Interior Local Government Unit, and we have already guidelines what to do. Since one of the requirements in the budgeting is the Municipal Risk Reduction Management Plan, and it was all indicated in the plan how to do in terms of calamity.
My second question, sir, is how do you manage the money of your city or province to support your people?
Definitely, we have all the guidelines implemented by Department of Budget and Management as part of the national government in terms of utilization of funds. Local government unit was mandated also by law to follow what are the requirements, especially indicated in the Local Government Code of 1991 or the RS 2160, how to utilize the money and when and how we get our money. So in using the money for the locality, especially for the people, we have to follow what is mandated by the Department of Budget and Management, as also stipulated rules and regulation of the Commission on Audit. So this is actually, there is a guideline in the implementation again of all the budget for the development of the locality. For example, there is a 20% local development fund allocated for infrastructure development and the livelihood of the people. And again, that 5% of the annual appropriation will be given to the calamity, as you have asked me earlier for the first question. Now, the rest of the development would be from the lobbying, meaning to say we are going to ask funds from the national government that would help the development of the municipality like Medina. So definitely, as I said earlier, there is a guideline in doing such thing. And we cannot just say that this fund is for that without following the DBM memorandum circular for the disbursement of funds.
How can you improve your own city or province?
Basically, in improving the development of a city or a province or a municipality like Medina, right now, there is a new public management, and I think as a student, you know what is new public management, NDM. It is more on the development of a community or a governance adapting private entity. So meaning to say, what is the characteristic and the basic characteristic of a private should be considered by the government. It's a new public management. And also, we are talking also for adaptation of the transition management. Therefore, for me personally, in developing such is again, we have to follow the guidelines, what is implemented for appropriated for the local government. However, we have to focus, number one is for the social capital for the people. So our embedded relationship to the development is from the bottom. So there are approaches right now in the transition management, the public management, what we call the bottoms-up program, which is adopted by the administration today. That in developing any project, any organization development, it should be from the people. So there is a bottoms-up participatory approach. So meaning to say, how will you do that is actually you get the information from the people at the grassroots level. What they need, what do they need, what do they want. So that needs and want will be addressed through a process called the BUB, bottoms-up budgeting. So we will appropriate funds intended for the needs from the grassroots level. So hopefully the administration, the governance would accept new public management understood the transition management and basically put capitalization on the social capital. So that is probably the key for addressing the problem based on the grassroots level participatory approach.
What is your plan for the youth?
Youth development is very vital. Basically, as academic, because I'm not only in the side of the politics, but also I'm an academician. So for me, basically, education is one of the solutions for the youth. And added value for that is the sports development to enhance their thinking and the practical application. So basically, we have to put vital education intended for the need of the youth. And after doing such, after categorizing it, and give them the appropriate education, and support them in their endeavors, in their practice of application, so that basically this youth can be prepared as the new set of officers in the governance in the future, or what shall we say, the next better leader.
What plan do you have for the poor and sick?
For the poor and sick people. In the local government unit, this was stipulated in the last part of the function and duties of every municipality, that we have to appropriate funds for the pauper, for the poor and the sick people. Now basically, as part of the frontline services of the local government, we intend to deliver services for the better health and social endeavor. So basically, the main problem of health and poor is being poor. So we have to address the poverty alleviation program, help them how to catch a fish, providing livelihood, and hopefully it will develop their good health because they've already their money to purchase the food. They have their money already to purchase the needs they want so that they can sustain without sickness. So I think probably in the future there will be a minimal treatment for sick people if your people are well provided, especially with food, appropriate health and lifestyle. So basically my address there is livelihood, providing them a livelihood so that in their daily needs they can address, they have their daily income. So that is why we focus in our municipality, in the district of the province of municipality and the province of Misamis Oriental, we do priorities to livelihood program. So we are very helpful and thankful also with the national government providing such a program that would encourage them to do livelihood and find other opportunities. And also one of the best programs that is implemented today is what we call the 4Ps program. So this is a Pantawid Pamilya Pilipino program that they are helping this survival people to be more sustainable. So they are going to basically not terminate to be a poverty in the poverty line, but at least they can sustain their lives and have the better nutrition and get away from sickness. So to fight poor again, education is better. And at least they will be educated in doing how to do business, how to have a livelihood program, to find means so that they can sustain their living. So I think that's one of the best solutions that we have to be provided for the sick and the poor in this municipality.